Engineering is using math and science to make life easier. Almost everything used on a daily basis was designed by an engineer. There are four main types: chemical engineer, civil engineer, electrical engineer, and mechanical engineer. Chemical engineers work in manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, healthcare, pulp and paper, food processing, and more. They deal with people's health, safety, and human needs like food, environmental health, crops, drugs, medicine, and more. Civil engineers are one of the largest and oldest branches. They deal with roads, bridges, dams, and airports. They cover the transportation and population growth. Electrical engineers specialize in working with power. They deal with motors, generators, transmission lines, power plants, and more. Anything dealing with electricity, they work on. The last of the four main types of engineers is the mechanical engineer. They are the broadest category of engineer. They work with vehicles, power systems, machines, tools, transportation, sports equipment, materials for space travel, and more. They work on a little bit of everything. A military engineer is responsible for designing new weapons, military vehicles, military structures, and devices, and clearing minefields. The military engineer is mostly an extension of the mechanical engineer. They work with small machines, small parts, metal structures, and more to design what they need to. They work on vehicles and build machines to defend the country. A great achievement would be household appliances. While it seems like a small, insignificant thing compared to some of the other achievements, imagine your daily life without a dishwasher, stove, microwave, washer and dryer, coffee maker, toaster, or any other thing you can think of. All these things were made possible by mechanical engineers. The mechanical engineer played a huge role in the design and production of household appliances. Since mechanical engineers deal mainly with machines, tools, and controlling motion and force with machinery, they would be the ideal type of engineer to design and produce the household appliances. The grand challenge of preventing a nuclear terror is a serious concern. Since the world knew about nuclear power, everybody's been trying to stockpile material for bombs. The main concerns we need to address are finding the materials, detecting when the missiles are launched, destroying them before they do damage, and clean up if a missile happens to go off, and tracking who launched it. This is a very dangerous problem. The threat of nuclear war is a growing problem and could have a devastating effect on the world. The United States would have one less thing on their plate if we could solve this problem. The military engineer would help solve this problem by developing vehicles that could withstand the radiation of a nuclear explosion. They could design a weapon to destroy missiles launched, or a way to track the missile's path to determine the location.